Everybody here tonight, I'm talking about him by between he home he put him he put his rule and he kept on paying right there. So far his hero kept on paying have 3 rule 1. Rule no. He has to play very hard now because if he lose, they know. And if they play well, they move on. How he can buy go tonight? I hope every hole. Popeye. One of his rule. He hold a Popeye. One of his rule. Popeye. Popeye made 2 rules and he ate Popeye. And here he hold a Popeye for Popeye. He made 1 rule. And he hold away 2 rules. Now we hold his 2 Popeye. And Popeye got 1 more door, who is not ready here. Unfortunately, Popeye went off to pick up rule 3 1. Popeye moving off to the next round of whale. Here we hold a 2 Popeye for Popeye. And he next hold. Yep. He flew, whale, and he had a opal. Not what I wanted to have here tonight. Really wanted to make a game hit. But it was not happen. Who not come back and have to pay away. Yep, so you are out, Popeye, I'm moving on. I hit whale, who was 22. He hit 22 in a boat round with the waffle. Even he has to hold his head ahead, but what we hit, move on past the waffle and hit Harry. But not really a few Harry of rule. He only won him with 1 game 1, but here Popeye was playing very huge in there for him to move on. He had a huge head and 22 whale, but not a huge head wow. 2-1 to Popeye in the next round. And hopefully through and what are why to come to go away from next year. See how he do next year here. Hope you hire for his burial. Hope you hire is for it or her whale burial. And I will talk to you high. Hopefully next year it will make a whale. Bye everybody.